MiX Telematics is next, right? So there are a couple of fleet management companies in this country, and it's obvious we have security risk, and this is both for private vehicles as well as for high-value trucks that have company goods in transit. But MiX Telematics is an operator. Remember, they have Matrix and BME, and then you get CarTrack, which is also listed but rather illiquid. And then Digicore has a business in this space too. But in any event, MiX Telematics is the one we usually look at. It's got reasonable liquidity here, and it's got a secondary listing in New York because they have a US-based shareholder base and raised some money there. 1.9 billion rands worth of market cap, price earnings ratio 18.11, dividend yield 2.45. Let's go straight to the share chart. It's sort of battled a little bit. It's showing a little bit of character. I mean, it really exploded and did a lot of acquisitive growth and more just like rising annuity revenue in 2012, 2013. Maybe just got ahead of itself. But how do we feel about it now?
It's difficult. As you said, as we were discussing in the break, the liquidity around the stock is very, very difficult. I think 600 shares traded by the time we came to do the show.
So the problem with that is that you can find it's easier to buy than to sell.
Exactly.
It's rather patchy. You can't get in the market easily.
I mean, they've also just, the CFO has just resigned as well.
Yeah. And their CEO, I forget what Josselovitz, Steph, I think he's based in the US. And then he swans in here every now and then to shout at everybody and leaves again.
But you can't deny they've done exceptionally well. I mean, their subscribers are growing well. I mean,
globally, they've got a nice business all over Africa, Europe, US.
They're now in about 120 countries, and the last result, subscribers are growing at sort of 8–9%. As you said, a lot of this is very annuity-driven revenue.
And it's clearly a must-spend issue for big fleet operators.
And that's it. I mean, also, there is a deal around, because remember, Imperial's a large holder of this company as well.
Good point. I'm glad you mentioned that.
There is, I believe they are going to be selling out a stake of that as well. So there might be a little bit of a stock overhang as well. I'm not sure on how they're going to dispose of that and who's going to take it up.
So you've heard that that's what Imperial's plan is, to offload that.
To offload that. I think it is public knowledge, but. Yeah, it's an interesting one. It's just, I think the issue around it really is the tradability on the local market.
Okay, we're out of time, so
not hot
for this one, right? Okay, so.